Hi, it's Jerry from Unior Bike Tools, and today I want to show you our new repair stand tool tray color. Okay, repair stand tool tray color is an accessory, like additional color that mounts on the upper sliding tube of any classic repair stand. It can be mounted on a single clamp or a double clamp shop repair stand or on our bike gaiter repair stand. So it will allow you to mount the additional tool tray so you have more space to put in your tools, and it's a little bit different than what's already integrated on the stand because you can rotate it or adjust it by height. So this will allow you to have two tool trays mounted on one repair stand. So if I install this one basically on the clamp that's already part of the stand, you can have two tool trays mounted at the same time. This one is fixed and this one can be rotated and adjusted by height, as said before. So smooth. Thanks for watching. See you next time.